If you only watched the first part of this, the Amana tool RC1108 is a high quality insert router bit that delivers professional results, saves you money in the long run, and is built to last. If you want crisp cuts and less downtime, this bit is worth it. For everybody else, the RC1108 insert router bit screams professional quality. Amana is known for making precision tools, and this bit is no exception. It's designed for smooth, clean cuts in wood, MDF, and other sheet goods, and it does exactly what it's designed to do. The first thing you notice about this bit is the build quality. It isn't disposable, it's an insert style cutter. That means instead of tossing the whole bit when it dulls, you just replace the carbide insert. It's cost effective, eco-friendly, and keeps your tooling consistent over time. The body is super solid, perfectly balanced, and it feels like it'll outlast half of the tools in your shop. In use, this bit just glides through material. I've tested this on hardwood, plywood, MDF, and it leaves edges that are clean and ready for finish with almost no sanding. The inserts stay sharp longer than traditional bits, and when they do finally wear out, swapping them out is quick and easy. You'll really appreciate the reduced tear out and consistent finish, especially if you're working on cabinetry, furniture, or CNC projects where precision matters. Now, this is not one of the cheapest options out there, but that's kind of the point. You're investing in a tool that's going to save you time, give you a cleaner result, and pay for itself by not having to buy new bits all the time. For pros and serious hobbyists, that's a huge win. Overall, this bit is totally worth it. It's reliable, precise, and built for long-term use. For transparency, I wasn't paid by Amana Tool to make this video, and I bought this bit with my own money. If you do happen to click on a link and buy this bit, or watch a video and buy this bit, I might get a small commission. That said, these are my honest thoughts after putting it to work in my shop.